Hello everyone, Coach Carole here on the 26th of January, a special day today. We're celebrating Australia Day. This is livecast number 26 with my tip for today on how to prepare your ancestral stories for your blog posts. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how I do that. So let's come over to my blog, my WordPress blog for writing in progress. And you'll see that I'm behind the scenes where all my posts are listed. And I'm about to publish a new post, which I have drafted here. So when you create your posts, you can park them for a while in the drafts category, ready for you to publish later. Always a good strategy. Gives you time to reflect on them. So this is the new post called Curiosity. So if I click into that, it'll show you what I have in place already. And I took my story from a previous blog post where I was investigating the history of my carpenters, plumbers, and heroes in my family in the maternal cutting line. So I've put my text in place and I've added the byline at the top here because it's part of 52 Ancestors, 52 Weeks. Week 4 topic is curious. And in this post, I have many pieces of curiosity. So that's why I have given the title Curiosity. So I have text and images in place with captions on my images for those documents that I wanted to share. And sometimes images like this one, which is a framed picture of the freedom of the city for my great-grandfather. So you can see that I have quite a lot of information stored in this document, and it's not yet published. But each time that I make a change, I can preview just to see if it's okay. One of the things that we add to it before we publish are the categories. And at the moment it's saying that it's uncategorized. So I change that to 52 Ancestors and unselect the uncategorized category. Then the second one is the tags, and you'll see there's many tags that I have in place. So I'll just add the ones that I want from my list, or you can add a new tag, of course, if you wish. And finally, I want to set a featured image for the top of this post. So I'm using the featured image here. Now I've created one and put it into my media library. And it's this one here. And I created that in Canva. If you saw any of the other live casts, you'll have seen how that gets done. So I'm now going to insert that as my feature image. So with those changes in place, I save my draft again, and I can then preview it. And that featured image should show at the top of my post to identify it as week 4 curious. And there we have it. But it's not yet published. I'm not ready to publish yet. A few more things to do. So when I am ready, I will come back here and make my changes. And then I will use the publish options here. But I'll leave that for another day because I want to talk to you about how you can prepare your blog post to share across your social media. So let me stop sharing my blog page for the moment. Come back to you in StreamYard and remind you that if you wanted to have a look at the blog posts that I've already done, you can see these all at my genealogystoriesonline.blog. And if you want to gather all of these live casts together for ease of watching, go across to my YouTube at coachcaroleonline.com/YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed this episode or this live cast, which was tip number 26. And that was all about preparing your ancestral stories for blog posts. I'll be back again with more. Bye for now.